Fresno for you this morning. According to Franklin County court records, she does have a prior OVI charge that she pled guilty to. That was just last April, so a year ago this month. But again, police cannot say if alcohol was a factor in the crash just yet. They tell me they won't know, of course, until those autopsy results come back. According to police investigators, Graber was heading south in the northbound lane at 270 when she hit another car head on. Graber died in that crash scene. 30-year-old Sagar Patel was driving the other car, and unfortunately with only minor injuries. Accident investigators will continue to look into this crash. I will have much more on that tonight at both 5 and 6. For now, they're live on the west side. Beth Dahani.
Such a horrible crash there, Beth. Thank you. New at midday, the mother and friend of a Northeast Ohio teen are all facing charges. A 16-year-old boy died of an apparent drug overdose. His body was found Wednesday night at a Super 8 motel on 77 in Green. That's just south of Akron. Police reports say that he was with the three women at the hotel to go swimming. He was shirtless and unresponsive after shooting up heroin and her friend. The teen also had alcohol in his system. Brenda Fry and Jessica Irons charges include involuntary manslaughter, drug charges, and tampering with evidence. There is a manhunt for an accused killer who escaped from a psychiatric hospital in Washington State. Police are searching a wooded area in Spokane using helicopters, SWAT, K9.